Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to tell you exactly why I think and strongly believe that social media and building your social media influence and generating business through your personal brand online is not oversaturated, and why the opportunity is there for you right now to take advantage of the platforms that are available to make sure that you optimize yourself for future success. So if that sounds like something of interest to you, please do consider hanging around. I appreciate you. And I also want to say before I go any further, I've had a lot of people reaching out to me saying, hey, do you offer courses? Do you offer programs like that? No, I don't offer any courses. However, what I do have, there's a link in the description to a closed LinkedIn group. That's where I share tips on how to grow on LinkedIn, things like that. And I'm considering also opening up a Discord because there's a growing number of people in there recently that have gone, hey, a Discord might be a good idea so we can all chat, share success stories. So that's a consideration. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea and you would like to hop into a closed kind of social media, LinkedIn growth Discord, and I will set that up and people can join. But no, I don't offer a course. That's not what I do, offering free value to help everyone out. So without further ado, why do I think that the opportunity of social media is still so strong and why you can build a personal brand right now and absolutely smash it in 2023? Well, the easy answer is a lot of people consume content around how to grow on social media, kind of like what you're doing now. And loads of people get motivated, inspired by this content. Sort of like the social media marketing boom. Everyone watched all these things and they were, oh my God, I'm going to be a social media marketer. And everyone went, well, that space is definitely going to be saturated now. But you need to remember that 95% of the people that watched that content, probably more than that, took in the content, got inspired, got motivated, maybe started tentatively and then just dropped off and didn't do anything about it. And it's so the same with building a personal brand, with generating inquiries, with going out and generating leads by inbound and outbound activities on social media. Because so many people get motivated, watch content, do all of this research, get themselves set up. But when it comes to taking action, most people don't do it. And that means that the opportunity is still absolutely there, and it's going to continue to be there as the fields of digital grow and expand and turn into new things. It's crazy to think of the opportunity that's there right now. We've got AI coming along. We've got the growth of LinkedIn. If you're not on LinkedIn in 2023, trying to build your personal brand and trying to grow and generate leads, you are it's like being early to Facebook and just thinking this isn't interesting. But if you'd stuck to it, you would have been blown up by now and succeeded exponentially. LinkedIn is that platform. That's why I talk about it a lot. But my point is, there is opportunities left, right and center. People aren't taking the action that they need to, and that's leaving the opportunity for everyone that's ready to take action. And the question is, are you ready to take action? Are you sitting here watching this video thinking, I really want to grow my personal brand, or I really want to develop my business into something, or I really want to generate more leads. I've got a great idea, or I've got a great service that I provide, but I'm just not getting the leads that I want, or it's too hard won. Think about what you're really doing. Are you taking the action that you need to? Because you might be sitting in the pool of people that get inspired and motivated by content like this, and then just go and do nothing. I want you to go away from this video and comment before you go saying, I'm about to take some action. Because you need to go away from this and take that action. Go onto LinkedIn. Go and reach out to 50 decision makers in your target audience that could benefit from your services. Go onto LinkedIn and go and produce content that brings value to your target avatar. Go on LinkedIn and go and connect with hundreds of decision makers, allowing you to bypass the gatekeepers of businesses to help you generate more inbound leads. I mean, and not even just LinkedIn, TikTok. The growth on TikTok is crazy. There are still more people consuming content than there are putting out on the content, even though it's becoming more saturated. But the thing is, even though it's more saturated with content, that doesn't mean that's good content. The content that stands out, the content that's valuable, the content that's niched down is the stuff that stands out the most. And most people aren't doing that. They're just following trends. They get them a couple of views and then they drop off. They're not interested anymore, but they do the rounds and the rounds. So people think that it's oversaturated. It's not. Niche down, provide value, be consistent, and you will grow. You will generate leads. Set yourself up a link tree, which has your LinkedIn profile, your YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel. Great way to build rapport with strangers and get them to buy into you and the concepts of what you provide. You could My goodness, set up your Instagram, your Facebook groups for any business services, niche down in that area. All of this stuff is completely free, completely doable, but most people won't take the action to do it, which means it's not oversaturated. It gives you the opportunity to grow. And if you're not taking action right now and you're thinking, oh, I've got the mindset of growth, I've got the mindset that I really want to go and take action, but you're still sat here watching this video, stop. I want all of the timestamps. When I look in the analytics, everyone dropped off about 5 minutes, because you should be going and taking action right now. So I hope this video does something just to inspire or motivate you to think all of these platforms may seem saturated, but they're not. If you niche down, provide value, go after your target audience, take some action, you are doing more than 99% of the people that ever think about doing that. The people that you think are taking all the action so it's oversaturated are not doing what you think they're doing. So put yourself out there, build your personal brand, go out and get some leads, create the life that you want to create, and stop wasting your time. Because right now you're wasting an opportunity that may never come again. The developments in technology are such that you have this chance to learn a new skill that could really help businesses, or you might have services that can really help businesses, but no one knows who the flip you are. So if that's the case, you need to go and put yourself out there so people know who you are. You contact people so they know who you are. Take some action and subscribe to the channel. 2 things you need to do. Action, subscribe. Thanks.